All right, we're gonna continue multiplying by decimals. So here we go. So let's take 3.14 times 5. Right now we're gonna forget about the decimal point, just multiply. So this is 20. 5 times 1, 5, 7, and 15. All right. So then you look at the decimal. There's there's a decimal, an invisible decimal right here that you don't see. We don't write it there. So we have to count how many how many times did the decimal go over. So here, none, right? So here probably started here. It went over 1, 2. So you go down here to the answer and you go 1, 2, and you just put the decimal there. Let's try another one. That one's pretty easy. All right, we're gonna do 57 times 11. So it's 57. Oh, 5.7. I'm sorry, 5.7 times 1.1. Right. Again, multiply regularly, just like nothing. 57. Put the 0. 57. Don't worry about the decimal until the end. It's 12, 1, 6. So now you look at both of them. You do start from here. So it went over one time, and over here went over one time. So you go, it moved 1, 2. So you add them up. So you go 1, 2. So it's 6.27. Again, do one more. 3.45 times. And I'm doing these examples. I'm just gonna do them easy so you can understand, what you need to do. Again, this video is just to get through the GED, so you could just, I'm trying not to waste a lot of time. So again, 3.45 times 0.11. Again, ignore the decimals first, just multiply it out, and then worry about the decimal at last. So here we got 345, 0, 345, and just add it up. 9, 7, 3. So here it moved over. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you go. That's all we're gonna do for multiplication with decimals. Pretty sure you got it already. All right, now let's do division. When you divide with decimals, it'll be like 2.1 divided by, or you know what? Let's do it easier. 0.02 divided by 10. All right. First thing you got to do is move this 0 or this decimal number over to over here. So it's gonna be 1, 2, and so right here, yeah. Again, remember we have this decimal here that we don't see. So you go 1, 2, and we fill out the spaces. So we moved over 2, so we put 2 zeros. So now 0, 2 is the same thing as 2, right? So we got 2 divided by 1,000. We got 5, 10, 0. Bring down the 0, that's 0. Bring down 0, that's 0 again. So it's 500. Remember, I'm pretty sure I'm assuming you already know how to divide. It's just the decimal point that just messes you up, which it used to do to me. All right, let's do another one. So we got, and I'm doing the examples real easy so you could just have a feel for it, and that's it. And I'm just gonna move on. So we got, I don't know, another 4. 400 point divided by 0.08. Okay, so we got to move it again. The first thing you got to do, you got to move the decimal over here, over here. So you go 1, 2, 3. You go 1, 2, 3. So you add the 0. So it's 4 divided by 0, 8, 0. Right? So it's pretty much 8. Put the decimal here. And then this becomes just 2, 8, 0, 0. And your answer is 20. Sorry about that too. I know I got ugly handwriting. I'm sorry. I just gave up. Whatever. All right. So that's your answer, and that's how you do it. Here we have another one, 0.02 divided by. Write it down. Yeah. 2 divided by 10.1010. So again, what we're gonna do is move the decimal over 2 times. Over here, move the decimal over 2 times. 1, 2. So we rewrite it. 2. So 0.2 is 2 divided by 10. 10.10. So here we go. 5 times 2 is 10. 0. Bring down the 1. It doesn't fit. So 0. Bring down the 0. I'm trying to keep these in line, I guess. All right. So then that's 5. And then behind that 5, right here, is the decimal goes here. Because again, it goes here. This is the 5. This is the decimal. Okay, so that's 10, 0. Bring down the 1. That's 0. And bring down the 0. And that's 5. So our answer is 505.05. That's our answer. Again, be very careful when you're dividing and where you're putting the numbers at. Since it's 10, the 5 goes here, not in front of not in front of the 1, because it's 10 divided by 2, right here. And you just align these, and that way you make sure you don't get confused with the decimal number, with the decimal point. That's pretty much it for division with decimals.